everyone, I'm MK, a student at Okanagan College, and let's have a quick tour of Okanagan College housing where I live. Welcome in. So, this is our games room. You can either come here to study or come here to play pool. Watch this. So this is our reception area, and here is a sign-in tablet where all guests have to sign in for the safety of you and your guest. Housing is free of judgment, and therefore we also have supplies for hygiene and sexual safety. We also have naloxone and first aid kits available in housing 24/7, and the staff are also well trained on how to use them during emergency. Come on in, this is my room. Here's the kitchen where I do most of my cooking. The only thing you need to get here is your own pots and utensils. Here's the bed where I sleep and watch most of my movies. And following here is my study table where I do most of my assignments and study for exams. So this is the place, that's my living room. You can have your friends over and surely have a good time. Here are study rooms, which we have on every floor on this building, where you can either study alone or you can study with a group. Come check this out. And here is the laundry room, which is located on the first floor of the building. So this was the end of our housing tour. For those interested, you can apply through the OC Housing website. Bye!